Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back with day number 30 of my 100 Days of Code Challenge. And today I learned all about HTML forms. I spent a couple hours today creating a form and learning about all the elements that make up a form. I learned how to add input elements, buttons, labels, select menus, radio buttons, and checkboxes. And by the time I was done with my practice, I ended up with this really clean looking form that had a lot of functionality. So this is a simple sign up form. I could add my name, my email, a password, and you can see that the password is protected. And there's also a radio button to signal what age you are. And just underneath that, there's a text area for adding a personal bio. There's a select menu to choose your job role. There's a few checkboxes to select your interests. And lastly, there's the sign up button, which when clicked, submits the form. And it doesn't connect to any database or API, so it doesn't actually send this information anywhere. But this was still a really great exercise and I learned a lot, and I'll definitely be able to apply this to projects that I've actually already completed. So tomorrow I'm actually going to go into my portfolio website and I'm going to add a form, because right now to contact me it's just my email is written down there and I don't like that at all. It's not very functional and it just leaves me open for anybody to spam me if they want to. Alright, well that's all for today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of these, and I'll catch you again tomorrow. Have a great day.